Welcome to Advantage Pro. Ncert Solutions Class 7 Science Chapter 8 Windstorms and Cyclones. Ncert Solutions we are going to see in this video, and this video is premiering live. Before going to the video, we are going to say please take notes. Hope you all taking notes, because in this awkward situation also we are giving notes. And the book back exercise, first question is fill the missing word in the blank spaces in the following statement. Winds is a moving air. Wind are generated due to uneven heating on the earth. Near the earth's surface, warm air rises up, whereas cooler air comes down. D. Air moves from the region high of pressure to a region low of pressure. And the second question is suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. First one, take a piece of paper in your hand, allow it to fall from your hand. It will flow in direction in which wind is blowing. You can also use a wind pan, which helps us to know accurate wind direction. And the third question of book back exercise is state two experience that made you think that air exerts pressure. First one, balloons and balls can be used only when they are inflated with air. When balloon is overfilled with air, it bursts due to the excess of air pressure. Second one, compressed air is used to brake system stopping trains. And the book back exercise, third question is fourth question. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but not ventilators? Explain your answer. No, a house with has no ventilators is not a safe or a healthy house to live in. The air circulation is not there in such house, so it has no fresh air, becomes warm air, rises up and goes out through ventilators, and fresh air comes in through windows. And the fifth question is explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Air exerts pressure. Due to this pressure, banners and hoarding flutter and torn. When wind is blowing fast, holes are made in banners and hoardings so that wind passes through the holes and they do not become loose and fall them. And the sixth question is how will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches your village or town? I will make them aware of cyclone forecast and warning the surface. Rapid communication of warning to the government agencies and all the important places. Construction of cyclone shelters in a cyclone prone, helping them to shift essential goods, domestic animals, etc. And the seventh question is what planning is required in advance dealing with the situation created by the cyclone. To deal with cyclone, it is important to follow the following points carefully. Listen the warning transmitter on TV and radio. Second one, moving to the safer places. Keeping an energy kit ready. Store food in waterproof bags. No venturing in sea. Keep all emergency numbers. And the eighth question is which one of the following places is unlikely to be affected by cyclone? Which city? And the first option is Chennai, second one Mangalore, third one Amritsar, or fourth one Puri. Answer is fourth one Amritsar. And the ninth question is which one of the statement given below is correct? In winter the wind flow from the land to the ocean. In summer the wind flow from land towards the ocean. A cyclone is formed by the very high pressure system with a very high speed winds revolving around it. Fourth one, coastal in India is not available to be the cyclones. Answer is first one, and the session is over by Advantage Pro.